Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing Evernote. So, is it still the king of note-taking apps in 2025, or has it been passed up by new tools? Let's just try to find that out in today's video. So, Evernote is still going strong with a cross-platform setup available for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, plus a web clipper for Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. That means you can use it anywhere and anytime. It offers a free plan, but for advanced features like sync, crossing, unlimited devices, management, or calendar views, you will have to upgrade to the personal, professional, or team plan. If we talk about the pros, so you are going to get seamless cross-device sync, simple clean interface, and long-standing reputation and stability. But if we are looking for the project management, Kanban boards, and more visual features, apps like Notion might suit you the best. If we go on Trustpilot for Evernote, you will find quite poor rating, only 1.3 stars out of 5, which is not that good as well, and also a matter of consideration. So Evernote is still great for quick notes and for organizing your tasks, especially if you want a straightforward, no fuss experience. But for complex workflows, there are more flexible options out there, as I said earlier, Notion. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.